Hi guys, welcome to Becoming the Official Compounder. This is episode 31 of week 51. This is Q4 2024. We are now live, so this is just the recent week recap. So yeah, let's just dig into it because it's been a very interesting week. So if we go to the next slide. So this week we had three trades, right? But the problem was it was an unsuccessful week, and this is a big problem. Like the three trades were we had two wins and we had one loss. Yeah, but the problem is I was only available, or well, I wasn't only available. I only managed to get into one of the three trades, and the trade that I managed to get in, it was a loss. So obviously we need to sort of we've got some problems, because the consistency it isn't there. So yeah, so if we go over, there was one on Christmas Eve, there was one on Boxing Day, and there was one on Friday. So the Christmas Eve one, to be fair, the Christmas Eve one, it was a half day, so I didn't know like whether I should trade, but now I know my trading hours for half days. But yeah, I should have it's pretty ironic that the trades that I get into it goes against me, but the trades that I don't, they win, and it's easy to, and I understand where people come. This is where that ideology comes that the market is against me, but the truth is the market isn't against you. I think the major problem is when people especially say that it is you're just not consistent enough. So this has affected um our profits, and this will like affect our profits in the future if we don't get this sorted. So if we have a look at our orders, our history, this is the trade that I took again, because I could only do £50. I couldn't do £50 because one lot was 35, and again this would cause issues for my profit and loss. But what I've done is I have so if I have a go on my statement. So it is just to confirm my statement. So yeah, we're basically down negative 200 right now. So consistency is a really major problem for me, like the edge is there, but like, obviously the only variable I think, you know what, I think when you've got a trading plan and you've got all these variables, right? Like I think being consistent, being at the desk is also a variable, and that's what I'm starting to realize as well. Like you sitting at your desk behind your charts, that is also a variable. If that's not there, then the equation isn't going to work. I have deposited more money because remember I want this to get to £8,000. So hopefully now was cool. Like I won't have any issues with like the lot sizes. But yeah, it's not like it was unsuccessful. Well, it is the fact that it's an unsuccessful week. It was cool. Two wins, one loss. We managed to get into the loss, and this does it. It affects you. You start coming up with like weird the inner critic starts speaking. But this was this year. The new year's coming up now, and I really want to lock in for this 2025, because the results are there. So yeah, so this is just gonna be a quick one because I'm pretty disappointed in myself this week, and the truth is like I probably would have been profitable this week. I would have actually been profitable in so with the two trades. December's actually been, if you remember, at the start of December we started off with -2. It's pretty funny to be fair that in December I've taken all of the losing trades, but the winning trades, you know. So again, this is where it comes to consistency again, like you just gotta be at the desk every single day. You gotta be at your hours every single day. Like even if you lose, because I lost on Thursday, maybe this happened because on Wednesday I was at my desk. On Wednesday I was at my desk, but I missed the trade. Again, I was having conflicting thoughts because it was a half day, but now I know moving forward. So that's that I can let off, right? But even then was cool. Like I still missed the trade, even though I was sitting at my desk. Like I missed the trade and I was right next to my desk, So this is a human error again. And then on Thursday I took the trade. It was a losing trade, you know. And then Friday I just wasn't at the desk when it turned out that that was the winning streak, well, the winning um trade. I mean, we could take positives from this. The positive is that we didn't revenge trade. You know, so even when I did miss the profitable trades, I didn't get in. Like I didn't get in the middle, or I didn't get in the end. Like I managed to control my emotions. Controlling my emotions is good now. My impulsiveness I've controlled. My only problem right now is that I need to be at the desk every single day. Because if I want to take this seriously, like it's serious. Like this isn't it isn't like a game. And well, I'm saying this, I'm actually speaking to myself, because I think when we do wrong, it was cool. We got to go back to the drawing board, and we got to sort this out because the truth is nobody's gonna sort this out for me, Only I'm gonna do it. And like, if I really want it, then but if you really want it, you will make it happen. Simple as that, And yeah, I'm really disappointed in myself, like especially this week, you know. Maybe things would have been different if I managed, like the trade that I got into was a winning trade, But again, still, it's a bad habit. See, this is the problem. This is the bad habit. If the losing trade was a winning trade, and then I probably would have been like, oh yeah, don't worry about it. But again, this is the wrong mentality that I need to fix. I need to go back to the drawing board and be like, you know what, this is wrong. I need to be at the desk every single day, except for Christmas Day, of course. Like bank holidays or something like that in the US. You know, but I need to be at the desk every single day, and that is the lesson to learn from this week. You know, because this is real money now. I'm injecting a lot of money into this, and yeah, guys, I'm just like really disappointed in myself. And I think it's good to be disappointed in yourself now and again, because if you fuck up, nobody's gonna give a shit. You gotta be hard on yourself now and again, and like yeah, like just need to I need to be at the desk every single day, because I don't know when. This is the problem with trading. The problem with trading is you don't know when you're gonna get that trade. Well, not that trade, but you don't know when your setup is gonna work. It's not like the way these people say that. Oh, spend 10 minutes or spend a half an hour on forex and then make my money and then go to the beach. That's not the reality. And I'm starting to understand that right now. Like everything that's everything that's on the internet about this stuff, it's absolutely fake. You can't do it because what's gonna happen is if you miss a day, you miss a trade, yeah, that will probably keep you in profit for the month. This is a consistent business, it's a long-term business. You gotta be at it, and I have to be at it, and the bright side is I'm getting data. I'm recording my data. I'm always recording my data, but now I just gotta be at the desk every single day. So that's the lesson to learn from this week: is be at the desk every single day. Because you don't know when an opportunity will rise. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep this one small. I'm not gonna talk because you could probably tell by my mood. I'm not really like I'm disappointed in myself. And I think we should be disappointed in ours. We shouldn't beat up ourselves over it. Just be like, you know what, did wrong. Make sure it doesn't happen again. So This is becoming the official compounder week 31 of episode 31 of week 51, due for 2024. 2024 is almost done, and hopefully 2025 we will do better. Peace.